In today's video, I'll show you 7 ways of adding friends on WeChat. Okay guys, let's get started. As I said in the introduction, there are 7 ways to add people on WeChat. We'll start off by introducing how to access the Add Friends page in WeChat. What we have to do is find the plus button on the top right of the app, click on that, and then click on the Add Contacts button. Once you're inside the Add Contacts page, you'll see multiple options of adding friends. I'll go through each one of them individually from top to bottom. The first option is to search somebody's WeChat ID. I'll show you an example by looking at my other WeChat account. All you have to do is to insert someone's WeChat ID and hit search. That individual's account will pop up. An alternative way of adding someone is by searching for their phone number. Again, I'll use my other account as an example. Just input the phone number and hit search, and you'll see the account pop up. But there is a requirement for this search to work, and that is that individual's phone number must be linked to this specific WeChat ID, or else you won't be able to find him. Now, the third way of adding someone in WeChat is by showing them your QR code. What you have to do is just locate the green QR code icon right behind your WeChat ID. Click on that, and your QR code will show up. And all you have to do is to show someone this QR code and have them scan it with their WeChat app, and they should be able to add you no problem. The next way of adding somebody on WeChat is by doing friend radar. Say for example, you're at a party and you want to add a whole bunch of people all at once. All you have to do is to ask everyone at the party to open the friend radar function, and they will show up on the radar. All you have to do is click their names individually one by one to add them directly to your WeChat account. This is much faster than asking each individual for their QR code, their phone number, or their WeChat ID. This is great for adding a whole bunch of people all at once. The fifth way of adding someone on WeChat is asking to join a private group. When you open this function, it says enter a 4-digit password below to start or join a group with friends nearby. So all you have to do is set a 4-digit password, say 1234, and if everybody nearby enters the same number, you'll all be added into the same group chat. And from within the group chat, you guys can add each other individually like that. And the sixth way of adding somebody on WeChat is by scanning that individual's QR code. As I mentioned before, you can show someone your QR code for them to add you, and you can do the same thing by using the scan QR code function. The seventh way of adding people on your WeChat is by adding them from your mobile address book. When you open the mobile contacts page, WeChat will say tap to upload your mobile contacts and find your friends on WeChat. When you choose this function, you'll essentially upload all your contacts list onto WeChat, and the app will see which of your friends are currently using WeChat as well, and you can add them from the list provided. And that is how you add people on WeChat. I hope you guys learned something new today. If you did and you found the information valuable, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for staying until the very end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.